Alright, computer investigation students, today you guys are doing your learning assignments at home for today's flex day. So you'll go to the agenda and you're going to go to Wednesday because today is Wednesday, November 14th, and it is your flex day. So first, just like you're doing right now, you're listening to the directions. Please listen carefully and to all the directions before starting your assignments. Then the second thing you're going to do is make sure that you're done and you've submitted the About Me T3. I talked to some of you guys yesterday about your submissions not being complete enough, so make sure that you're putting a nice long descriptive paragraph for each of these answers so that you have plenty to write when you, or shall I say when you record your video. Then you'll go back to the agenda and you'll find number 3. You'll go to the introduction video. Most of you are pretty much ready to go straight to this introduction video. You're going to use your information you wrote about yourself in your note card, so just think back to what you wrote, and then your About Me T3 assignment. And so you'll use those two things to help you come up with what you're going to say in your video recording. Make sure that you speak clearly, at a reasonable pace, with expression, and loud enough so that others can hear your voice. This is an introduction video, so make sure that it is professional, but you're still taking time to introduce yourself to your classmates. So we'll open that up. The Flipgrid looks somewhat like this. You'll see a big green button for you to record on. Then you are allowed to do one sticker when you're done recording. And I think I have to approve your post, but look, we already have one from Carson here. And so then you can go ahead and view other people's posts. But you need to keep in mind there are some reminders for you. So if you forget, you can always refer back to this Flipgrid important information. So when we use a tool like this, you need to remember, always practice good digital citizenship. Your words and ideas are the focus, not the faces you're making or anything like that. That shouldn't take away from what you're saying. You may add one sticker to your cover photo, but it may not cover your face. You may view your classmates' responses. Comments are allowed but should be purposeful. No things like cool video. You need to have something that really has actual substance to it. So you could say something like, I like how you included the information about digital citizenship that you learned in your elementary school in your response. Or, I like how you like to play baseball in the summertime with your neighbors, or something along those lines would be fine. But you need to make sure that it's specific and purposeful and nothing goofy. Let's go back and recap real quick. Oh, before I forget, there's one other thing here, another resource is this help discussion. If you have a question, you'll go here and post in this help discussion. And then you can answer other people's questions, and I will periodically be checking this to answer your questions and then help you guys out if you need it. But please look here first before you post and read all the previous posts. So let's recap. You're listening to the directions now. Number 2, you're making sure you have About Me T3 completed. Number 3, you're making your introduction video. And then there's this help discussion down here if you need it. Computer investigation students, I hope you have a great flex day. I will see you on Friday.